Hey, what's up family? Boy Shakil Samai here with a wonderful video on how to trade Forex off your phone. I mean, this is something many people has been waiting for. I mean, a lot of people ask me like, how do you actually trade off your phone? And it's quite easy, guys. You know, one of the things I do say is that you need a platform that's going to make it easy for this to happen. And the easiest platform I've been using is TradingView. You probably can see at the top TradingView, okay? And this is what a platform I use. Now let's go. Let's jump straight into it. But before I jump straight into it, please do like, comment and share. That's the most important part, guys. Please do like, comment and share, and don't forget to send that little comment down. Just comment down below. Why? Because I use it as feedback to actually see and engage with you guys, to see what you guys are looking more for and where can I assist you more, where can I add value in your trading journey. Now, one thing I like to do is when I look at the market, right, starting them daily and try to identify. I'm just going to use back data to show you guys, or back test with you guys what I could have done. The first thing I like to do is to identify my trend, and that's one of the things you should do. Is first identify your trend on the market, and here I'm on the daily on USD/JPY. I can see that I've been in an uptrend. As you can see, we have a higher high, higher low, 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 and we keep on going further. But on top here, I could see that we do have as well as a resistance trend line. Right, this trend line on top is acting like a resistance, and then at the same time we have now what we call a support, a resistance here, meaning market can possibly react here, because market did definitely fall down from here. If you look at it, that this area is quite interesting. You know, if I look at this zone here, let me show you guys what I'm talking about. This area. It's quite easy because look, market came all the way up into here, stops here, and it falls all the way down here, then goes in uptrend here. You know, so this is interesting at this area. I'm quite interested because what can happen, market can fall as well all the way down from there. Because you look at it, sellers who are interested here, why not here again? You know, that's the thing. However, it doesn't mean that market just can't break above retest and can't go higher. That's possibly, it's a possibility because you are in an uptrend. So let's just move further on the 1 hour, you know, and go to the 1 hour and identify on the 1 hour what has been happening over here. Right, let's identify what's been happening on the 1 hour. Now, don't do this to your chart. You don't want to be doing this to your chart, guys. You want to literally go, let's first go to 4 hour. You want to first you know, zoom a little in like that. You want to zoom in to identify a little trend, you know, the finer detail, because if you do this, you're not going to see the bigger picture. But what I can definitely tell you is we already identified our major trend, okay? That's where we all can agree that we have found a major trend, and that's important, okay? Meaning that we can see that over here we have one touch, right? Two touch, third touch, and then a fourth touch. So let's just say we identify this part and we're going to focus over here, right? When market came here, we're going to focus, or even just here. Let's say here, we're going to focus about it just on this area, okay? So let's go to the 1 hour and focus on that area. Okay, there we go. Now I can see that, okay, we have again what I call a counter trend, because the major trend is up. However, once we break this trend line, okay, once we break this trend line, we can definitely say that we're now gonna go higher. That's what we call a counter trend line, okay? Once market breaks this trend line, we're gonna look for buys. So we can see that when we zoom a little in, we saw market go breaking out at this area. Market broke out at this area. Here you can see pulsively bullishly, and we find our new support and resistance, okay, where market can most likely retest on. And one of the first areas I do find is this area that market could possibly test on, and you can see that what did happen is that market broke out impulsively and then came back for a retest. And now where have been your targets? Back to this highs all the way here when market started. This will be your targets here, right on top here. Okay, and that's how you basically find your support, resistance, targets. Don't worry about all the minor things in between. This minor things in between here, all these minor things in between here are not really important, because working from one point and then we just our retest here and where's our targets, and then our support not our support resistance, our stop losses. So where can our stop losses be? You see, this area is the last area where market basically created a turning point. So this is the area I'm going to put my stop loss under. And I would have just used my short position like I'm in a long position. Wherever I wanted to enter, for example, my entry was going to be here, right? If I'm correct, I just like around this area, like that, and then my stop loss would have been under this area, like that, and my take profit would have been all the way higher over there, first take profit, and of course you would have gone higher and higher and higher, which is quite important. It's not just targeting that area, you should be interested in that area, that this where you could possibly take off. And what you'd have done is you'd have gone all the way lower to look for that candlestick confirmation. So as you can see, there was quite a number of candlestick confirmation. There was a bullish engulfing over there, just over there's a bullish engulfing there, and that would have been your entry, guys. Like that, yeah, that would have been your entry. Once you got that entry, you've entered that market, and boom, market shot all the way higher, take profit, smash, and then you move on to the next one. When market come back to this trend line, remember this trend line here is most that the daily trend line, right? So you're going to be interested in a daily trend. Every time it comes back there, you're going to be interested, okay? So I can see, okay, we have what I would say a little downtrend over here. Very sharp one. So once it breaks that, you enter for another buy, okay? So I can see, okay, market broke out. It came back to retest around this area. And what I do is I place my buy area, take it all the way back up to targets there, and stop losses under these areas like that. Why under there? Because that's my last area. Market turned at here, this area, under that area, and you hold it, and boom, take profit, smashed again there on top. Alright, and then you move on. Every time market comes back to this trend line, as you can see here, it came back to the trend line over here. Right, you're going to be interested at it, okay? Because market seems like it's gonna possibly buy that area, but once it breaks a trend line, for me, I always like to do a counter trend line. Once it breaks this trend line here, confirm that I'm now in an uptrend, I'm going to take my buys, okay? So what happened? Market came back for trend line touch at this area here, and I take a buy. Not that one. I take a buy over there. Stop us under this area, and you hold it all the way up to you where your targets are there on top. All right. And boom, take profit, smash again, and now when market comes to this upper trend line, it doesn't mean that you can't sell, guys, it doesn't mean that you can't sell. When market comes to the upper trend line, let's delete this one, right? We have a little uptrend here, which I call a counter trend again. Here we can see we have an uptrend here, so I'll connect those areas like that, right? If market breaks that area, this trend line, I'll start selling. As you can see, let's delete this, and this happened today, this happened today, guys. So you can see this happened today. Delete this. You can see, and this all in the 1 hour. What happened is market broke it, came back for retest. Where did market come for retest? Under this area here. You can see where am I looking at this area here. Market broke all the way down, came back for retest here at the resistance, and that would have been your entry for a sell. Okay, so you could have actually taken a sell at this area here with stop loss, over here, and taking it all the way low. And this happened all the way today, right? Stop loss could have been, and take profit could have been all the way here at the bottom at this region with a nice good risk reward of 1:6. You could have been in profits as you're speaking right now. That is basically how we trade forex off a phone, guys. And when you want to enter your trade, right, you of course look where you entered here. You look at this area, and you go to your MetaTrader 4 and you enter the buy or sell. That's how we do it, guys. I hope you guys actually found this video informative of how to trade your phone off your phone, guys. Basically identify the trend on the daily, and then you move yourself low to the lower time frame to where you want to enter the market. Thank you guys once again. Hope you guys added value to you guys. Send you guys much more love. Please comment down below if this added value to you guys, and don't forget to like. Thank you guys. I'm signing out. Shakil Samaya.